When it comes to nutrient management for our fields and for our crops, it doesn't matter what you're putting down for nutrients as much as how we can manage them better. When it comes to hog manure, livestock manure, it doesn't have to be hog manure, beef manure, dairy cattle manure. Our liquid manures, we're able to treat them with a product using that 12% humic acid. We found to work pretty well when it comes to not only helping to release phosphorus and make it available, but also stabilize our nitrogen as well. It works pretty good for putting in the manure. You can treat the pit, with livestock in the barn. You can put it in your pump outs. Do it any time of the year, or when or just before you are applying it. But we use it as a nitrogen stabilizer. It works pretty good for that. It does also reduce the smell of the manure some. I'd say probably 20 to 30% is what we've seen on our operation, just a reduction in smell, and neutralizes salts. If you've had issues with manure, with antibiotics in the feed and stuff, and causing some issues in the manure, that humic will also work to neutralize them antibiotics as well. So we've been applying it with ours, seen some really good success with it, and it's easy to apply, easy to use. We're looking at 1 to 2 gallons per 10,000 gallons of manure. That's our rate for liquid, and application's easy and pumps right out, doesn't cause any issues.